I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I test the 5 for you. I feel that like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your favorite. Yeah, something it makes me look at you too often. Baby, you do it something. Baby, I can run up inside. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you out of my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can tell you, know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say this, my body. My body says, my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. And my heart, my mind, and my body say, my body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know, you're gonna talk alright. I know you're gonna talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that we did that. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it. But I don't wanna let me get with you too often. Baby, you think that it was something. Baby, I can run all the time. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I know, I know you're I've been all in my phone.
You get a MacBook or an iPad, girl. Typecase is your answer. Watch me turn my iPad into a pretty pink MacBook. Yeah. If you're a student, content creator, or you work from home, girl, you better get your hands on these. Let's not even talk about the 360-degree feature. Amazing. The button on the right turns the keyboard on. OMG, the RGB color effect on the keyboard is absolutely beautiful. Wish I filmed this in the dark to properly show the glow. All you gotta do is connect the keyboard to your iPad using Bluetooth. And were you also wondering where to place your pencil? There's a little loop on the left. Typecase actually got ya. It also has the multi-touch trackpad feature, and I have the keyboard case linked to this video. You could also find it in my link tree in my bio. Bye guys. Lord, peep the peep.